This is just a quick little video to show you how to put on grazing leases from the crown lease layer in IMAP. So we are at the main window here and we want to go to data sources. So we're going to go to add provincial layers. And of course grazing leases are administered under the Lands Act, so they fall into land ownership and status. So we want to go to crown leases. And we can select outlined and color filled and or one or the other. I'll put them both on. So you can see that they're actually drawn on. You have to zoom in to see them because they don't show up above 1 to 20,000. So in fact, if we go back to zoom to visible scale, we'll start to see a few. And there, for example, is a lease. And if we go to find, you can click on it and it tells you that this one's an airport. So we only want the grazing ones. So we go filter by query. This is our data source. This underneath this line are our conditions or ways to select from the layer itself. So this is pre-selected for us. So we're going to add another condition. And we're going to add tenure purpose equals agriculture. And if we add another condition, we want tenure sub-purpose equals. And on this computer, I need to start typing it in before it comes up, probably because there's so many. And we're going to have grazing. And what I'm going to do is filter. And you can't really see too clearly, but one's disappeared. So if we go over to where we see some other leases showing up here, if we start clicking on those, you can see that in fact that they're grazing leases. These should all be grazing leases. And if we wanted to add the license tenures and permits, we could do that by going to range polygons. We just want the active ones. We don't want all the retireds, so I'll just select active. And basically you generally need to refresh to get this to come up. So there we go, there they are. And you can see the RAN numbers, which are the unique identifiers, along with the crown grazing leases.